Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I am an online reseller. I sell on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today we're doing a 90-day update on the two Ted Baker men's premium boxes that I ordered a few months ago from Boutique by the Box. So if you want to see how much money I made and what items sold, and then ultimately if I would purchase this box again, definitely stick around. So I'm going to go ahead and do both boxes in the same 90-day update because they only had 10 items a piece. I am very sorry in advance if you hear a lawnmower. My next door neighbors are having their grass cut and my baby is finally taking a nap. So this is my only filming time. Hopefully it's not too loud. It's kind of loud to me and I don't know if you can hear it, but my apologies in advance. Anyway, so I love coming onto my channel, unboxing the mystery boxes that I order from these various liquidation companies. And I love showing you upfront what comes in the box and then doing a follow-up 90 days later to show you exactly what has sold and whether or not I profited on the box so that it hopefully helps you, if you're a reseller, make some decisions about sourcing for your own business. If you do like reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. I post new videos and new content typically 3 times a week or sometimes even more. And remember to hit that like button if you find this helpful. That definitely helps out my channel a lot. So I'm not sure if one of these I used a discount code or what. The prices are a little bit different, but I'm going to go with it anyway. If you are shopping on Boutique by the Box, speaking of discount codes, there are some codes down below. If you've never purchased from them before, you can take 10% off with code OHYEAH. And if you have purchased from them before, you can use the code OHYEAH5 to take 5% off. So if you're interested in this company, I'm not sure if at the time you're watching this, if they have these boxes available, but definitely check them out. They're one that I order from regularly. So if you're going to shop with them, you might as well take a little bit of a discount and get that as a profit. So this one was a 10-piece Ted Baker premium box. I think at the time they had like a basic, a mid, and a premium. I honestly don't remember, but I ordered the premium, so these are both premium boxes. And the first one I purchased at the end of January, so that's the one we're going to go over first. I paid $231 for this box. That is a little bit of an odd amount, which leads me to believe I did have a coupon code. So my cost of goods was $23.14 for this box. Of that, I have sold 6 pieces and I have 4 pieces remaining. It's been about 90 days since I've listed and started to sell off these pieces. So what I will do is show you the screenshots here if I have them. I think I have all of them but one. I will show you what sold, how much it sold for, and at the end I'll give you the final numbers. All right, so first up were these classic fit chinos. They were really just men's casual pants, size 34, and these sold within 10 weeks. They hit the 10-week mark, but they did sell for $36 on Posh, which put me about even after fees on this one. These didn't retail for very high, and with mystery boxes, some of the stuff is going to do better than others. It was approaching the 90-day mark. I was sending out offers. I was trying to make some sales to get my numbers up for the month. And so this one did sell for $36 with the discounted shipping. I'm not mad about it. I still broke even and it still helped me recover some of the cost of the box. Then I had these slim fit chinos. These were in navy blue, so really nice summery chino pant. These sold for $50 on Poshmark. These took about 3 weeks. Again, I think the price point is right on. Then I had a pair of linen blend herringbone trousers, and these were a size 34. These sold just within 4 days. So I had a couple quick sales out of this box. These sold for $55 on Poshmark within the first 4 days of listing. The next one up is actually a shirt, and I unfortunately do not have the screenshot because this was an eBay sale. This sold within a week, and eBay only keeps the screenshots for about 90 days, and I'm a little bit behind on the box as per usual, but there was a $45 eBay sale, so sorry about that, but it was a really cool blue paisley shirt. It was a size 1, which is a size small. So I didn't have a ton of interest on it at first, and I think I took an offer for it to be an even $45. That means someone made me an offer, and I went ahead and took it. There was a houndstooth linen blend blazer in a size 4, which I think a 4 is extra large. It was a bigger size. It was a more common size. So this was a $75 Poshmark sale, sold by offer. So I sent an offer to Likers, and they accepted. So I paid the discounted shipping. And then the last thing was these suit trousers. I think these were wool blend, size 36. These took a little over 60 days, but they were an $80 Poshmark sale. So that one was a really good profit. I was excited to get $80 for. So those are the 6 that have sold. I still have 4 pieces left. The first one being this crew neck sweater. So I listed these at the end of February. So winter was pretty much gone in most parts of the country, or at least on its way out. And this is clearly a sweater. It's a very thick knit sweater. So I'm not surprised it didn't sell, given the 90-day time frame that we are in. I do think eventually it will sell. It's just we're not there yet. So that one I'm not really surprised about. Then there is this gray and white printed shirt. This one I couldn't find an actual style name of. And also it's listed as a size 17 on the tag. I don't really know what that equates to. I think an extra large. But I had a hard time listing it properly on the different sites as a size 17. So I think that could be impacting my ability to sell this as well. Although it is a really cool shirt, and I do think that eventually when the right buyer finds it, it will sell for a decent amount. And then these two, I'm kind of surprised. I've got a pair of sweat shorts, and these are really cool. They've got little greyhounds on them, the actual print is of greyhounds. So I think they're pretty cool. I'm surprised that these are still here. And then I have these striped shorts, which these make me want to go hang out on somebody's yacht. Seriously, these are like yacht shorts. I don't know why that's not the name of them, the yacht shorts, but anyway, they are super beachy, yacht style shorts. And I thought, being that we're in the summer season, these would sell pretty quickly, but they're still here as well. So verdict here, I paid $231.40 for this box. And as of right now, my profit is $49.10. So I've made my money back plus $49. So that being said, it's a bummer. You wish that it would get double. Typically, I like to double my money on liquidation. I do think I will get to the double point if I can sell off these last 3 pieces, especially the sweater. Between the sweater and the shirt, those are both pretty substantial pieces. So I think it'll come close. But let's talk about box number 2 as well. So this box cost me $224.10. So again, I don't know if I had a discount code or what. The price is a little bit different than the first one. So I either had a discount code or maybe they had changed the price. I'm not sure. This one is right at the 90-day mark. I wanted to wait until both boxes hit 90 days, but this one is right there. So full disclosure, this was the same box. It hasn't had quite as much time listed as the other one, but it was the exact same box, and both are within the 90 days. So this was the second Ted Baker premium box that I purchased. As we said with the first one, there were a few pieces in there that sold right away. So I figured if it was still available, actually, I think it got restocked. I wanted to grab another one because I had initially done so well out the gate on the first one. So this one, I actually have sold 4 pieces and I have 6 pieces remaining. So I'll show you what sold and what hasn't sold and give you the verdict on this one as well. Okay, so first up is the raindrop printed shirt. This one is a size 5, so great size. This one did take 2 months to sell. It sold for $45 on eBay, which means somebody probably sent me an offer. Everything I put on eBay, and you have to let me know in the comments if you do this too. Everything I put on eBay, I end it with 0.99. So I probably listed this at like $49.99, let's just say. And I have in my spreadsheet here that I sold it for $45, which means somebody probably made me an offer. If it's an even number like that, that means it was an offer. So it was a $45 sale on eBay after 5 weeks. It's one of those things, 5 weeks in, if someone makes me an offer and it's not a terrible offer and I'm not losing money, which I certainly didn't here, I made a decent amount, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I probably didn't even try to counter or anything like that. Then I had this textured semi-plain jacket. This one was a size 1, so it was smaller, but it did sell on Mercari after about 2 months for $65. And I think you guys have heard me say this before. I love selling on Mercari because they take the least amount of fees. So that was actually a pretty awesome sale. I had the relaxed overshirt. So this was like a shacket overshirt layering jacket. I don't know. It was a size 6 though, which is a bigger size. And this one sold on eBay as well for $64. Again, probably by offer, being that it's an even amount like that. And then the last thing I sold was, and I actually don't believe this because if you watch the original unboxing, which of course is linked down below, both of them are, I was really confused about these pants. I was not sure if these were men's or women's. They were a size 32, so it's like, it could go either way. And they were a cropped wide leg chino type pant, which to me, I thought for sure was like a women's style. So I thought this one got into my box by mistake, but actually these were men's pants and they did sell, and actually they were the highest selling item out of this box. They sold for $80 on Poshmark. So that was pretty exciting, not only to find out that they really were men's pants, but that they sold for so high. Just to go over quickly what has not sold out of box number 2, I've got another one of the diamond crew neck sweaters. So again, I'm not surprised. It's a duplicate of the one that was in the first box. Again, it's not sweater season, so not surprising there. I did have this linen herringbone jacket. This one was a size 7, so great size. This one actually was damaged though. It had a rip in the shoulder, like on the sleeve. And I reached out to Boutique by the Box and let them know. They did send me a replacement piece, which I will show you in a moment. So that was pretty good. But I listed and disclosed the damaged piece at a much lower price than I would if it wasn't damaged, but it has not sold yet. I have the space dyed crew neck sweater, another sweater, size 2, still here, not surprised because it is out of season. Here's another pair of shorts. These are varsity shorts. These still have not sold. These are a little surprising because we're in summertime now, but hopefully soon. I have the ravioli. I don't know why this is called ravioli. How did they come up with this name? It's the ravioli vertical stripe shirt. Size 17.5. Again, me trying to list these men's shirts in a size 17 because the platforms have like a size 17 for like dress shirts, but this isn't really a dress shirt. It's a casual shirt. I don't know. Sometimes men's clothing confuses me. And then I had another pair of chinos. These were the Tinty light blue chinos. They're light blue. They're a size 38. I would think that's a decent size and it's summertime, but these are still here as well. Hopefully soon on these too. Now, as far as the piece that was damaged, I did reach out to Boutique by the Box, so I'm going to add that one in the mix here. They did send me a replacement piece. The next time I ordered from them, there was a Ted Baker piece in that box to replace the piece that was damaged. So that ended up being a semi-plain jacket in a size 1. And I'm going to go ahead and count that one towards box number 2. This one sold for $105 on Mercari. So this one actually ended up being the best sale out of the entire box, which is super exciting. So thank you, Boutique by the Box, for making it right. And, you know, that's definitely going to impact the results of that box number 2. So all total, box number 2, I spent $224.10, and my profit, $94.90. If you count that jacket that came in afterwards, the replacement jacket. So again, I've made my money back plus $94. I'm not quite at double, but, and I said this about the Ted Baker women's box as well. I'm a volume seller, and so I like to flip things quickly. These type of pieces that you pay up for, but that you end up getting a higher profit margin on, they are more of a right buyer situation. So although these boxes did not necessarily meet my criteria of what I would normally call a good box, I'm still going to say that these were both good boxes. I mean, they are going to take longer than 90 days. This is the type of inventory you sit on, waiting for the right buyer to spend the fair amount on them. In fact, I do even think some of these pieces, if I would have just waited a little longer, I probably could have gotten a little bit more, and I let them go at less than they probably should have for the sake of just getting them out of here within the 90 days. So I like this box, both of these boxes. I would buy them again, and especially once I can sell off the rest of what's in here. I think they were actually had the potential to be very highly profitable. So I hope you found this helpful. I know a lot of you also ordered this box, so let me know in the comments how yours went. Are you kind of there with me where it's, you know, slowly selling off, but the pieces you have sold have made decent profit, or are you still sitting on a lot, or maybe you've sold all of yours? Please let me know in the comments. I'm definitely interested to know how yours was if you ordered it. If you are interested in ordering from Boutique by the Box, like I said, there is a code down below. Oh yeah, for 10% off if it's your first order. Oh yeah, 5, any order after that, for 5% off. That really does help me out a lot if you do use my code. And, you know, of course, that helps you, you know, save a little money on your inventory so you can take the higher profit. Do consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I drop a video. I've been shooting for 3 times a week, so lots of reseller content coming your way. And drop me a like on the way out if you found this helpful. If you're still here, that also helps out my channel a lot, and I truly do appreciate you watching. That is it for today, everyone. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.